Alright, y'all asked for it. We are going to be making Naruto's Kunai Kani. So we're going to be making this out of this. This is 4140 round. The reason I went with this steel is because it's real good impact resistant steel, and this being a throwing knife sort, I don't really need it to hold an edge. I just need it to stay together. I don't want it to break at all. So it's really good for this particular knife. I will actually be giving this knife away. So check the end of the video for details on how to enter in on this. So here's the general profile of our kunai. Had the forged in ring, drifted it in, cleaned it up on the grinder. We still have to clean up inside this eye to make it a lot better on your finger. It's still a little rough. Forged in our bevels pretty good. I might even heat treat it without even grinding the bevels. Yeah, so that's where we're at. Nice. Yeah. Oh. All right. So details on how to win this kunai. Obviously, you got to be older than 18 to enter in. I'm sorry, I know it sucks, but those are just the rules. And then you got to live within the U.S. Shipping outside the U.S. is too expensive for me just to spend all that money. I mean, I do apologize. I know I have supporters outside the U.S., but that's just the way I'm going to do this giveaway. So if you qualify within those two, the next step is to comment in on the post. That tells me that you want in on it. I will put your name into a random number generator. I'll number everybody, random number generator, and then I will come out with a winner. I would appreciate it if y'all would, like, share, subscribe, comment. Go follow my other social medias. I got Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and then this and YouTube. But it's not going to be contingent upon it. I would just appreciate it. So, once again, 18 or older, inside the U.S., comment in, and you'll be registered to win this awesome custom handmade kunai. Thanks for watching.